I don't even know if you can hear me. Matt just finished putting all the trim back on, and we are going to do the first drive. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Just changing some settings. Put in performance mode so we can rip on this thing.
Okay, so this thing has the VF Engineering Supercharger.
Correct.
And now has around 800 wheels?
Estimated, yes. They advertise it at 805 on 91. We'll see.
Alright, so we're going to take it out. We're taking Fruit Loop, the single turbo 335i, for some roller action. Let's see what it'll do. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Alright. Alright, taking the R8 out, and of course, Gage needs gas.
I never got gas from when I ran out of gas the other day. So I just put gas in the fuel tank and still didn't put any gas in it.
Ready?
Ready.
Take number 2. Alright, straight pipe, V10, Audi R8, supercharged. Jesus. Crazy. Tried to put the GoPro underneath.
We got some clips though. It's pretty warm.
Getting you guys all the angles.
Should probably move a little further out.
Audi R8 terrorizes the streets of OKC.
Yeah.
We got Fruit Loop back here.
We're about to get rained on, so we're trying to get all the footage we can before it starts pouring rain.
This is my first time in a supercharged V10.
Is this your first time in an exotic? You did the drive thing recently,
I just did the drive thing.
Okay.
So I've been in one, but I didn't push it.
They're all stock?
Just exhaust.
Just exhaust?
Yes.
Right. Roll into it in third from the highway, it's fine. It's like tame, it's good. Roll into it from here, from the stop, it's a bit much to handle. The great thing about this, yes, it's obnoxious and we're being rowdy and all that, but you can throw it in comfort mode and like auto, and this thing's a day.
I swear the pops are my favorite. Shop needs one. Just one.
It showed the wing come up though.
We're gonna hit every tunnel in Edmond.
Welcome to Edmond, there's always a train. So I did the hit after we turned around at Penn, and you were behind me, and we never saw you again.
Yeah, we didn't see you.
No, I did the hit to the end of the on-ramp and let off and made sure no one was around, and because I thought you got caught up, I never saw you. So we cruised at like 50, waiting on you to like roll up.
You trying to race or something?
I think I can get them off the line.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna do it.
And we're back.
And we are back. And Trevor is shaking.
Made it back to Speedhaus, and I think this is it for the R8.
Yeah, it's a wrap. We've taken it on numerous test drives, put some miles on it. Now that it's completely finished, we got all the trim back on it. We went out, did some RIPS, threw a GoPro on it.
And it's still there.
It's still there. We didn't lose it. Once again, VF engineered supercharged Audi R8. Like, subscribe, comment, share.